Hiya YouTubers, this is Superman G coming back at you one more again. And in this video I want to explain to you about letters that are associated with computers or in relation to computer components, file sizes, and the like. Those letters are KB, MB, GB, and TB. Now there are numbers that are associated with these letters, and I'm not going to really get into that right now, because if I do, it's probably going to go right over your head and you're going to be okay, you lost me. And I want to try to keep this as simplistic as possible, because I want this to be a learning experience for newbies or beginners or people who are just curious to know about what these letters actually mean. I'm also going to leave a link to a website where if you want more information about these, that it will be available for you. So with that being said, let's start out with the first set of letters. The first set of letters are KB. KB stands for kilobyte. Now kilobytes are probably more associated with small file sizes, like you've probably seen in PDF files. That is the extension number or letter rather of the file, and that's mainly in like your Adobe files, which you've probably seen or received. Most of them are measured in kilobytes, the file size is. The next one up is MB, which is megabytes. Megabytes can also be file sizes. It can be a PDF, but it mostly happens with larger file sizes, download files or programs or something like that, even updates of programs that are available for download. The next one up is gigabytes. Gigabytes are bigger than the first two, megabytes and kilobytes. And gigabytes usually involve downloading large files like your games or even movies. And these are where you would see these big files, and it could take hours for some of these larger files to download depending on your internet connection speed. And the last is TB or terabyte. Terabyte is the largest file system as of this date. You probably won't find a terabyte file size that you have to download anywhere. It's usually associated with storage or SSD drives, hard drives, SATA drives. It's usually associated with the capacity of a drive, and that is the largest of the first three. And I'm going to show you examples of those file sizes in the next shot. This is the properties window of a Adobe Acrobat Reader file, and as you can see, the size of it is 90.1 kilobyte, which is the smaller of the other lettered file sizes. This is the properties window of a downloaded file, which is measured in megabytes. So this file size is 3.57 megabytes big. This is the properties window of a video file, and as you can see, it is measured in gigabytes. So this particular video file is 4.74 gigabytes big. Now we come to the largest of all the file sizes, which is terabytes. This property window shows you a storage drive that I have that is measured in terabytes. Terabyte drives, which are mainly in SSD format and external hard drives, can hold all the file sizes which were previously discussed. So everything from gigabyte to megabyte to kilobyte will fit on a 1 terabyte drive. And that's going to wrap it up for this video. I hope this helped you out. Hope it wasn't too confusing for you. So you all take care, be safe, peace out.